So moving on to the 11th question, it is integral of x dx divided by root of x plus 4. So again, the square root function is, the function inside the square root is x plus 4. Put that as t. So from here, we know that x will be equal to t minus 4. Now differentiate this on both sides with respect to t. So it will be dx divided by dt is equal to 1. First derivative of 4 is 0, which implies dx is equal to dt. Right. So the whole question will get converted as integral of, in the place of x, I can replace it with t minus 4. In the place of dx, I can replace it with dt. In the place of x plus 4, I can replace with t. So basically, you have t minus 4 divided by root t times dt. So this will be integral of t by root t is going to be root t minus, sorry, okay, I'll write it like this. T divided by root t is root t dt minus 4 into integral of dt by root t. Okay. So integral of root t will be root t is t power half. So it will become t power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, minus 4 into this root t can be written as t power minus half. So t power minus half integral will be t power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. Right. So on solving this, you will get t power half divided by half. Basically, it will be 2 root t. Right. So the integral of 1 by root t is 2 root t. You can remember that, but that is a process. Right. 4 into root t plus c. So this will become 2 by 3 into, in the place of t, I can replace it with x plus 4. So it will become 2 by 3 into x plus 4, the whole power 3 by 2, minus 4 into root of x plus 4 plus c. So this will be the final answer.